watching Fracer YouTube channel. For those of you who are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and of course hit the bell button for you to get notified whenever we have new videos coming up. So mga Fracers, we're here in Nova Scotia again, and it's what they call rainy afternoon today, but we wanted to go to experience the ferry boat ride from Dartmouth to Halifax. So it's a public transportation. It's a ferry ride for about like 15 minutes, and we will have to like go on board from Elderly, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that is where we're going, to Elderly ferry station or terminal, and then we will, for 15 minutes we will travel going to Halifax ferry terminal. So let's see how things goes. I think the price for that ferry ride is around $2.75. Let me just double check. I think, yeah, it's something like that, but I will update you later. Yeah, join us and let's go do a ferry ride.
Wait, I hope we don't hit an iceberg.
Is it free? Is it ano? Okay, real time. Skip the seat. This seat is close to. There are Frasers, the one that we spoke to the cashier in the ticket booth. I think he's a Vietnamese, no? So it's a diverse culture here. Same in New Brunswick. I don't know. I think he's a Vietnamese, probably, because he speaks like a Vietnamese. And then later we're gonna eat Vietnamese food. You like Vietnamese food? What kind of Vietnamese food do you like? Nothing. You don't like. Alright, later again. Yung, saan tayo? Tayo lang tayo doon. Kawa ka, bawal mo akong gumawa. Kawa ka dito. Madali, mag-ano na tayo, mag-alcohol.
Ako na hawak. Mami, may set go down na. Wala nang action.
Ferry ride. Enjoy the ferry ride. Yeah. What? My tongue, your tongue is blowing. Blowing in air. Oh yeah, remember we went to the wharf. We had been there. Oh, tama. Yeah, tama.
Marami
There you go, Fracer. That's Halifax.
Lamig naman yung tummy ko.
It's the ferry ride.
Go here.
Lamig yung tummy ko. Ay,
weather network says that it would be rainy at this point of time. But with God's grace, hindi naman rainy. It is, ano lang, windy lang. Later pa yung rain, around 4 o'clock pa.
It's foggy.
Is it foggy? No, not really. A little bit foggy. Yes. That's the Halifax.
Balloon.
Ay, hindi yan Duxford. Seagull yata yan.
Look, American. Oh,
Seagull.
over here. That is cool.
Woo!
Sorry, seagull. Bye-bye.
Okay.
All aboard. We're here. That's it.
Look at that. That's amphibian boat. Okay. There's a bridge. So right now, Fracer, we're looking for something to eat. We're looking for a Vietnamese restaurant. They say there's a lot of Vietnamese restaurants here in Halifax. So we're checking it out. That's far. Yeah. We're going here at historic properties.
1-minute walk. Let's go walk.
Let's go.
Okay. Where are we going to? How are we going to go out?
So we're going to head east.
Maybe we're just gonna go out.
This.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ferry terminal.
It's a 10-minute walk.
Yeah.
And then we go back here. We have to come back for 4 o'clock because our ticket is just good for 2 hours. Our car is in Dartmouth. If not, we'll have to pay another $2.75 for coming back to Dartmouth.
There you go.
Let's go. Let's eat mga officers.
We're going to look for a Vietnamese restaurant here.
Yeah.
Because we're craving for a po.
Yeah.
Yep.
And we're gonna buy, I think, like a magnet for the fridge.
This is the downtown Halifax.
Oo, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the cable warp. Yeah, I remember the cable warp.
Yeah.
Ganyan lang siya, no? Is yung sa mga...
Ako?
There, look. The building here is much bigger than the
Sa Bedford.
sa New Brunswick.
Ha? Pwede.
The
Hirapan ka ba
It's
sa
like we're here in Makati.
Pwede mo.
Are we in Makati?
Look at that Fracer. We're like we're in the Gundam City. Gotham City of I don't know, what's that?
Gotham City.
Gotham City, where Batman is.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Dominion Public Bank. How about public building? We're just right here in the downtown walking, looking for the restaurant.
Yeah. I hope we don't get lost.
That's uphill. Look at that, huh?
Parang pinipili ko. Mami, where are you going?
Ayun, oh.
Help
Parang
me.
gutom na gutom kami ngayon.
Help me.
Look at this. Hindi.
That's like one of those piano things.
Yeah. Is it open? Yeah. Yeah. The same price din naman eh. Konti na diferensya. Yeah, we're going to...
Oh, it's closed.
No, it's open. 12 to 9:30. Okay, go.
Table for 3.
There, if you're here.
We have to check in before entering. So we have to push the...
Ow. This hurts.
Okay. So it logs into a different web page. So you put in your name and your last name and your phone number for tracing. There. Ta-da! Thank you for confirming your visit.
What do you have, boy?
I have crispy fried chicken with steamed rice.
Yeah.
Why do we love Vietnamese food? Why do you love Vietnamese food?
It's healthy.
Healthy.
Oh.
Before I don't like it. But when I went to the States, Kuya Dean, the brother of June, introduced to us the Vietnamese food in America. It was a really big bowl. And then I cannot finish it. But it's really nice. It's really refreshing noodles. And then when we went to Montreal, Ate Lisa, my cousin, also treated us to a Vietnamese restaurant. So it's nice and healthy and it's a big bowl too.
Shout out to our family in California and to Montreal family.
Salad bowl?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, ketchup bowl. Thank you.
Chat, huh?
What?
Wait. Look at this. This one is, ano to? It's like a church.
Halifax City Hall main entrance. City Hall.
No? Ano? Ano?
Some fries. Subo-subo.
It's like this.
This is Halifax.
There you go, Fracers. We're going back to our boat to the ferry. We have a schedule at 4 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
So we're going back.
Going right. Turn right here. You want to go uphill more?
There's the
Or what
ano.
you eat?
Ano yung nasa gitna na yun? May event pa, oh. There's an event right here. Welcome. Yeah. Look at that. It's really nice. The architecture here is really nice. The architecture of the building.
Ay, tingnan mo yun, oh.
In Halifax. Maybe we can take a picture there, oh, sa ano.
Oo, yan.
And later, mga Fracer, we're going to Micmac Mall to get some what's that called?
Cinnabon.
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 Because we don't have that in New Brunswick.
Yeah,
So
walang Cinnabon in New Brunswick.
just gonna buy one here.
Sana merong Mr. Puffs din dito.
Yeah, Mr. Fab is also, we don't have that.
Look,
Also here they
we
don't
just
have.
allow the weather to dictate where we're going. Which
Yeah, we're into the shop. We want to buy some nuggets, of course, for the collection.
Regis ko. Hindi mo tayo galing dyan.
Ikot mo, yan na yun ka.
Wala.
Wala, huwag mo tayo sa iba.
Gusto mo to? Galing tayo
Oo.
dito. Hindi tayo pumunta dyan. Hindi tayo nakabili.
Dito hindi makakala niya. Wala ka ng Halifax. Okay na boss. Ay, yun o. Harbor Hopper. Yeah, go to Dartmouth.
We're going to go.
2 hours just to eat.
Ang kanina.
Ha? Ayos yun o, ayos yun o, ayun o, basta. Ayun. Turo mo lang, tapos kaya rin, kilala mo. Ayun na kita. Oy, kakamay. Nakita pa, Jay, kakamay.
Let's go, Jay. Do.
Dyan tayo pumunta. Nag-upo pa kayo dyan, di ba?
Di ba nag-issue kami bilang may nakahatak na ano? Nakahatak na ano?
Ay, binibidyo tayo.
It's a tie too.
See?
I told you, Dale.
He knows us.
Hoy, yung mga tropa ko.
dyan may mga...
I don't know what's that bridge called, but there's the boat though. Oh.
Okay, there you have it mga Frasers. Our ferry trip here in Dartmouth to Halifax, and Halifax going back to Dartmouth. Yan. So, for those of you who are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell button.
Yes.
Don't forget, do good.
Be good.
Wait, look, do it to them.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Jesus loves you.
Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye.